I'm very good after being the part of this MRP.
यहाँ आके मेरा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है.
Good component of this program was the DAWs and the one-to-one mentorship.
मेंटोर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव. जब भी दिक्कत हुई, जब भी उनको कॉल किया, उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है.
वो कोलैबोरेटिव कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट जो चाहिए होता है किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए, वो काफ़ी अच्छा मेंटेन था.
I like the most the residential one is very nice. Even I would like to come here again.
When I was at home before pre-25, then I cleared prelims and I got here for my mains preparation. I think Study IQ provides the right ecosystem and environment. Like you are better prepped here. You have the source of motivation. There is nice peer discussions. The mentors are continuously there for you. Yes, so it will be better if you prep for mains in the Study IQ MRP program.
Prelims was easy because it's more about remembering stuff, but mains needs a completely different approach, and I had that support and guidance after joining the mains program here.
Better utilization of your time, 2 months, 3 months, whatever you get. You have to be in such an environment that you are not disturbed by outer environments or any distractions. Then you have to come here. You must have to come here.
मैंने लास्ट ईयर में मेंस दिया था, कुछ कमियां रह गई थी, तो इस साल मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि यहाँ पर आने से मुझे एक ऐसा एम्बियंस और एनवायरनमेंट मिला है जो मुझे पहले नहीं मिला था, जो कहीं ना कहीं मिस हो रहा था, वो मुझे मिला है. जैसे कि टेस्ट सीरीज़ हो, प्रॉपर लाइब्रेरी हो, या फिर पीयर ग्रुप हो, टाइमली एक्सेसिबिलिटी हो मेंटर्स की, वो मुझे यहाँ मिल रही है.
This MRP program has helped me in better organizing my preparation and provided me the right guidance, which will definitely help me in cracking this exam.
After a failure in prelims, you feel a little bit demotivated. That's why I didn't focus much on mains. But after coming here, I feel that I'm better equipped with the resources and the content you provided.
The main thing I feel people lack in UPSC preparation from home is the environment and the support and control group. MRP residential program provides you both the things.
I would say that my experience in Delhi was all good because I was in part of MRP, because I have seen my friends who came to Delhi but they have struggled different ways with illness and all, which we avoided over here.
In my first mains, the main thing which I missed was the guided mentorship and the answer writing practice. It was COVID time. I was back at my home and my answer writing practice was not up to date. My content was there in my answers, but I was not able to complete 4 to 5 answers in every test. But after coming to MRP program here and doing daily answer writing under the guidance of various teachers, I have been able to complete my paper in the last 2 to 3 simulators which I gave.
पहला मेरा प्रीलिम्स क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ था, इस बार हुआ था, तो मैं MRP ज्वाइन किया स्टडी IQ का, और यहाँ आके मेरा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है आंसर राइटिंग वगैरह.
Structuring the answers as well as writing the answers in times, plus how to manage the content which are not I had not read them properly before. It has helped me a lot in that way.
The DAWs that have been provided in the daily basis in the classes, that were good. Those 7 questions helped me practice my answer writing and also helped me write a little bit faster also.
स्पीड में मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है. जहाँ मैं ये 1-2 दिन में आंसर्स लिख पा रहा था, वहाँ मैं काफ़ी टाइम में इम्प्रूवमेंट की है मैंने.
The tests had pretty good questions which were current oriented. They covered most of the aspects that we expect to be there in the exams.
The DWs had exceptional questions relevant to the CSE syllabus and very current affairs curated. So I think the mains content is very relevant and very helpful.
All the tests and all the evaluation, they are all focused towards this UPSC mains oriented only and nothing outside of it. And this is what gives us extra edge to revise all the concepts and subjects very easily.
टेस्ट काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, रियल टाइम, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो PYQ बेस्ड हैं, तो एक रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है. और साथ के साथ जो इवेल्यूशन है वो विदिन 3-4 डेज़ हो जाता है डेली DAW का, और साथ के साथ जो सेक्शनल टेस्ट है वो विदिन 5 to 6 डेज़ मिल जाते हैं. तो टाइमली इवेल्यूशन के साथ साथ हम उसे मॉनिटर भी कर पाते हैं कि हमें कहाँ इंप्रूवमेंट करना है, कहाँ नहीं.
MRP resistance is very good. I like it the most. Whatever you want here, you'll get it here. आपको बस आके पढ़ना है. मतलब जो एक छोटी से छोटी चीज़ भी अगर आपको दिक्कत है, वॉशिंग मशीन, कपड़े धुलने, वो भी है यहाँ पे, पानी, खाना पीना, हर एक चीज़।
Starting from the first day, all the mentors and the teachers made me feel like I'm at home. Like everything, starting from your basic food to the like washing your clothes, then going to the center for the test, taking the classes, all thing was made available. Like you are at home and you are not any new place.
It's really nice because library पे building में present है तो time management बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है. Really nice room, cleanliness का भी बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखा जाता है and security भी बहुत अच्छी है.
The fooding was good, the lodging was like near perfect. There was no issue at all.
पूरा घर वाला मतलब माहौल मिला है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पता भी नहीं लगा कि 2 महीने बाहर कहीं रुके हैं सर.
The food I feel was so homely and healthy because food is important part and we have to eat something good which is relevant.
Residence top notch है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
बहुत अच्छा रहा है यहाँ, खाना वगैरह, रेसिडेंट, बिल्कुल सब सिक्योरिटी वगैरह सब कुछ अच्छा लगा.
The rooms are very fine. The staff here is very collaborative as well as supportive. So the means residence program is for me the best one.
Just we have to focus on our studies and legit everything is taken care by the mentors, study IQ team. So we just have to focus on our studies and everything else is taken care of. So we have nothing to worry about.
And also it gets you into the schedule because earlier, like when I was at home, I used to wake up late, so I skipped breakfast. But now you have to, if you want to eat breakfast warm, so you must wake up early.
I think the most beneficial component for me was there was no disturbance at all.
The library facility I utilized most for long study hours because you provided it for 24 hours, so there was no restriction in that. That's why I liked it.
Library facility was the most appreciable thing of this program, and the environment was very much conducive and it helped me in keeping myself away from all kinds of distractions and study with my 100% focus.
Me being a working professional, I had to study in night. It was quite a calm environment and we have all the facilities over here.
लाइब्रेरी फैसिलिटी यहीं पे इनबिल्ट है बिल्डिंग में, तो वो एक अच्छा पार्ट हुआ.
सबसे अच्छी चीज़ यहाँ पर लाइब्रेरी लगी मुझे कि इन हाउस लाइब्रेरी है, कहीं जाना नहीं होता साथ के साथ. और उसके अलावा यहीं पर लाइब्रेरी में हम टेस्ट लिख सकते हैं, डिस्कशंस कर सकते हैं, और it is very much accessible.
It is fantastic. There is no room to complain about because the only reservation which I had before coming to Delhi was कि यहाँ पे खाना पानी और रहने का जो बंदोबस्त है वो अच्छा नहीं होता. बट यहाँ पे आके पता चला कि वो सबसे बेस्ट है. सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी का कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी, माहौल भी अच्छा था, तो इट्स 10 out of 10.
The classes are very good. Even the study materials are very to the point and concise they are.
The classes and study materials are really good and appropriate for the mains exam.
I was really impressed by ethics classes by Faizan sir, Uttam sir's polity classes, and the economy classes are also really good.
They are absolutely nice content. It's well curated and everything is according to the CSE syllabus and it's very crisp. I don't think you need other resources for referring for mains.
Classes are not like foundation classes, and they are concise to the point as per main syllabus. And the study material is also concise. Like the notes we have, they are integrated with current affairs. So like almost for many subjects, you don't have to search for other things.
I think it was very concise and the test pattern, the questions were very relevant. Very much relevant to the PYQs that was asked, and the study material as well as the teachers, especially from geography side, I think that was brilliant.
It is helping me now a lot because revising the things at the last point becomes very important, and the conciseness of the material is something which I would appreciate.
क्रक्स मटेरियल था तो पढ़ने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा और ओवरऑल सिलेबस उसमें कंप्लीट हो चुका था.
The peer group which I got here, the friends which I made here, and the guidance which I got here, these three are the most important thing. I think I will take back home with me from the MRP residence program.
सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ यहाँ की है कि सब लोग peer group एक साथ में हैं तो एक दूसरे से आंसर डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, किसी टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, देन उसके बाद में एक दूसरे की कॉपी इवेल्युएट कर लेते हैं, फीडबैक देते हैं. तो ये जो कोलैबोरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट है यहाँ का, ये सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है यहाँ का.
SIQ से पहले आई हैड नो एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मेंस. पर यहाँ के मुझे पता चला कि व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू, एंड जो इंटरेक्शन मेरा लोगों के साथ हुआ वो वेरी हेल्पफुल।
ये सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है यहाँ के जो बच्चे जो आते हैं, मतलब मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द 95% जितने बच्चे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव हैं, क्योंकि अभी कभी डिस्कशन हो रही है किसी चीज़ की, तो लाइब्रेरी में ही डिस्कशन हो रही है, तो सब उसमें जुड़ जाएंगे, फिर सब अपना अपना फीडबैक देंगे, फिर कुछ ना कुछ उसमें से क्रक्स निकालेंगे। अगर नोट्स की कमी है तो वो एक दे देगा, दूसरा दे देगा, टेस्ट देने जाना है तो सब साथ में जाएंगे, मतलब वो एक यूनिटी जो बन जाती है ना, तो आप ढीला नहीं पड़ सकते।
Mentorship was the main plus point of this entire program. So I was mentoring with Divyanshi ma'am. So since ma'am had just cleared her mains as well, inputs that she had given has been very helpful. So I could see myself changing. My first answer that I wrote for my first ethics paper and the answers I'm writing now, I feel have improved greatly because of that mentorship.
The one-to-one mentorship is one of the best part of this.
Yeah, one-to-one mentorship is that I will really appreciate because it helped me in identifying my strength and the weaknesses which I can focus and improve in the future.
Mentorship was good. I took special mentor classes with Vishal sir. They also helped me a lot.
Mentorship was really good. Especially I can say I will say the name of Abhishek sir and Divyanshi ma'am, who is also a topper.
Divyanshi ma'am, Abhishek sir were the people who we could reach out anytime, and they were absolutely great.
Mentors में सहवाज सर का evaluation काफ़ी अच्छा था. I think that was very genuine.
They are very easily approachable. I can call them at any time. They give very nice feedbacks. They continuously focus on our improvement, and there is regular checkup like how is our progress. You can approach them, and the evaluation is also very nice by the mentor.
बहुत सारा टेस्ट दिया है, मेंटर्स ने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया है हाउ टू स्ट्रक्चर अ क्वेश्चन, इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे लिखना है, क्या गलतियाँ नहीं करनी है।
यहाँ पर मेंटरशिप के लिए बेसिकली टीचर्स भी अवेलेबल है 24/7 और ऑन कॉल हैं, और ग्रुप्स पे जब भी हम चाहते हैं उन्हें एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, तो काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है सर।
Mentorship was really good. We get our doubt and those were cleared in real time, and the best part was that there was no delay. If we asked our doubt today, by evening or next day it was completed.
मेंस का जो प्रिपरेशन था वो प्रीलिम्स के पहले इतना हुआ नहीं था, एंड इधर आके थोड़ा मेंटर्स वगैरह से एकदम टू द पॉइंट गाइडेंस मिला कि क्या करना चाहिए 2 महीनों में, जबकि टाइम भी कम था।
The mentor have been quite collaborative and have been helpful in almost all the situations till right.
My mentor is very supportive. So academically, non-academically, he is like very very supportive.
Not only academic, emotional support भी बहुत अच्छे से मिलता है।
स्टडी IQ IAS, आपका सिलेक्शन हमारा मिशन।